Let me show you how to connect Snapchat ads to Claude for powerful ad performance analysis. I'll grab the MCP server URL from InsightfulPipe. In Claude settings, I'll navigate to connectors and add a custom connector with the Snapchat ads MCP URL. This opens the OAuth authorization page where I'll grant Claude permission to access my Snapchat ads data. I'll click Authorize Access to complete the connection. With the connector set up, I'll start a new chat and ask Claude for a comprehensive Snapchat ads performance report. I'm requesting a report covering account and campaign effectiveness, ad set and creative results, and key metrics like spend, reach, impressions, swipe up rate, CPA, ROAS, and conversions. Claude is now orchestrating a comprehensive ad performance analysis. It's gathering data across multiple performance dimensions from the Snapchat ads account. Claude has generated the full report. The preview shows creative assets, creative performance metrics including swipe up rate, average screen time, and landing page conversion, all performing above benchmark. The report includes optimization recommendations, from scaling high-impact creative to expanding creative testing, improving cost efficiency, and strengthening conversion tracking with the Snap Pixel.